This old guy DIY video has to do with modifying a drawbar to fit a Kubota 2550. So this drawbar was too small for the machine. When I went looking for a drawbar, they wanted about 160 for a Kubota drawbar that was made for this. So I picked this thing up at an auction, and it's too thin. So I found that 3/4 inch washers were the perfect thickness to take up the slop in here. So I welded a little washer pack on the end of the drawbar, and then I made a second pack of 3 washers that'll go right here with the pin drop through it, and that'll take away the slop when I mount this drawbar on my Kubota. So with the 2 shim packs of 3 welded 3/4 inch washers in there, this thing is as tight as can be. So that's my new technique. Saved me about $100 over buying something that was made for this Kubota. It should do the job just fine. Have a great day.